Welcome to my Sitecore Diaries, your ultimate guide to digital experience excellence. This is the channel where you can look for the answers of your questions related to .NET and Sitecore. I'm your host Jitendra Ghanekar. I'm Sitecore Technology MVP 2024. I've given my all social media account on screen. You can follow me on those. So this is the sixth video of the series website creation demo. We will start where we have left in the last video. In the last video we have set up the website by using the site configuration. I will recommend to watch our previous video if you have not already watched those videos, because this is the continuation of the last video. So I will suggest to do that. I have given the link for the playlist on top I button and also in the description. Okay, and if you are new to the channel, I will suggest you to subscribe to the channel, click on notification bell to get a latest update from our channel. And also, if you like this video, please make sure you like the video and share it with your friends and colleagues. So let's start today's content. What are the different data which we will require? Okay, first thing which we will require is a menu. So we will create a menu folder, then we will need a banner and then a CTA block. Okay, now there are there are multiple ways you can do this. Okay, the first thing is you can add all those things in the home item itself. Okay, so if you can you can make these items as a part of your item itself, then you have to get a data from the item. What we are going to do is we are going to use the data sources here. Okay, so we will create a data sources, and those data sources we will use in the item. Okay, so basically rendering will have some data source which will pick the data. So we will first create the data, then we will go to that detail. Okay, so now what I want to create is the menu for this menu data, then the banner data and the CTA data. Okay, so let's create those corresponding folder first. So I'm just adding it to folders here. So first is my menu, then banners, then CTAs. Okay, so I will create the same folder here also. Again, remember this is the local to the my site folder. So what you want to display depending on the structure might differ. CTAs. Okay, so this is how the folder structure is created. So whatever the shared banners that will go here, whatever the shared CTAs that will go here, whatever the shared menus those will go here, whereas whatever the local to the my Sitecore diaries that will come in the banners. Whatever the local to the Sitecore diaries that will come to CTAs and the menus. Okay, so this is what our structure is. Now next we will create each item with banner, CTA and menu. Okay, but I think before that let's upload all our assets into the media, and then we will move to the adding the data in the these folders. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so first let's upload all the assets, that is images, in our media library. So this is the media library. Let's create one folder here. Okay, media folder, and I'm naming it as a MSD, my Sitecore Diaries. Okay, I'm moving it to the up so that it is easy to find. Let's make it first folder. Okay, then now we will upload a file. So now if you see here, there are two options we have. So upload file, when you click on upload file, it allows you to upload the single file here. Okay, and if you see the upload files, it will allow you to upload the multiple files. So let's upload our assets in the this folder, MSG folder. Okay, so let's select these files and upload one by one in the media library. So I'm just selecting one by one. Okay. Okay, now you can see all files I have chosen, and let's try to upload it. Seems there is some issue. Okay, so only 3 files are uploaded. Let's upload the other 2 files also from this only. Okay, so all 5 images are uploaded here. Okay, so now let's create the data source. Okay, so my Sitecore Diaries, inside that we have a local. So first is a banner. Okay, so what we will do is, if you click on right click, if you see here is insert form is not coming. Okay, so what we will do is we will set up the insert options here for all those 3. Okay, so for insert option, banners will have a banner template, CTS will have a CTA template, and menu will have a menu template. Okay, okay, for that we have to go to the configure section. Okay, here is the insert option. So you don't know what is insert option. For that we already have a video. You can have a look on that video. Okay, I will give the link on the on top I button, or maybe in the description. Okay, so you can have a look on that. So I just click on I've selected banners and I clicked on assign. Okay, and if you remember, where does we have created the data templates. Okay, so hero banner I'm selecting. I'm just removing the folder. Okay, okay, so now what will happen, let's see. If you click on a right click here, it will give you the option to add the hero banner. Okay, similarly we will do it for CTA. Menu, let's do the same thing for the global folder also. CTAs, for CTA we have CTA, then the menu, okay, now we have set up the insert options. Will not touch now for the shared. Let's do it all the things from the local only. So banners, if you want to add hero banner, add insert hero banner. Okay, but for for creating a hero banner, what will happen is if you create the item as it is, let's see. Okay, you will see all those things are blank. Okay, because we have not created the standard item for standard values for hero banner. Okay, so I'm just deleting it. Or let's do one thing, let's go to the template. So you can go from template here also. If you click on hero banner, it will go to the template. Okay, so here you have not created the standard values. Okay, so select the hero banner, go to the option, base template, sorry, not base template, the standard values. Okay, it will create the standard values. Then you can use a token here, say maybe for title I'm using a token, so token I'm using as a dollar name. So whatever name of a item you have created, that will get updated here. Again, here also I am updating the dollar name. Okay, insert link, if you want to set up any default insert link, you can set up here. Okay, so that the user do not have to select it. If he add it, all the data will come, and then if he want to change anything, he can do it. Okay, so for this we are not or let's do one thing. Let's set up the links. Now for us, this link should go to the my Sitecore diary, and is the external one. For now we will doing it for our external one. Later on we will do it for the we will create some internal page and we will add it. For now let's do the external one. Okay, so for that let's copy this URL, the hero banner. So let's copy this. We'll have a insert external link, because this is the external link. Okay, so we can say what is the link description. So what it is saying is get started. So let's get started. Okay, this is the URL. You can test it if you did, whether you want to open it in the same window or the another window, that will display that it can be done by here. So active browser same, custom and new browser. Let's do it for new browser because it's the external. If you want to apply any class, it can be done here. And the alt text, so I'm just taking it as a, maybe let's have the same alt text, get started. Insert. So this is my default value. Okay, similarly you can set up the default values for hero banner also. So I will browse. Okay, if you see, it is open the media library. Okay, and this is our recent uploaded one. If you want to follow the content tree structure, it will be like this. Okay, then you can upload it. So let's upload the hero banner here. Okay, save it. So now hero banner item, we have created the standard values. I'm just saving it. Now let's go back to our banner folder. You already have a hero banner. If you see, if I added it, it is just adding the blank value. Now let's try with the standard values. Okay, I'm just giving the name as a homepage banner. Okay, now let's see here what is happened. It is picked from the standard values. Okay, this link also come, and the name title has come like this, homepage banner. Now let's update the title what we want here. So I think instead of here, let's do here. So this is our title. So welcome my Sitecore Diaries. Then this is our description. So let's update that also. Okay, we will see this later. I think, I'm not sure why it is coming twice. We will see that later. Okay, so this is done. Then this hero banner, we don't need it, so I just delete it. Now this is a data source, so you can have a multiple banners uploaded here as a data source. Okay, so from that you can select any banner. So that kind of a structure you can create. Okay, then let's add now the menus. Again, there is no standard values, so let's do one thing. Let's create the standard values for both menus and CTS, and then we will come back here. Okay, so let's go to data template. You will create a standard value here, the values. Okay, link, we can select it later. Maybe let's keep it blank. Thumbnail also, let's keep it blank. It will have a different object. Title, we will give it the token dollar name. Description also we will give it as a token. I think this part, title and this link, we will see it later. I think it is coming double. Okay, maybe we will see it. I think we have made some mistake here. That's why it is coming as a double. Okay, maybe it is inheriting from somewhere, and also we are taking it all. Let's check the. Let's go. Let's check the base template. What is the best template? CTA bus base and the link. Okay, so let's check what is in the CTA base. We have a title, description, and link. Okay, and what is in the link? Oh, so this link is also there. So the problem is here, the option, we don't need that link there. Okay, so let's go to the best template and remove this link. We don't want it because it is already there in the CTA base. Okay, similarly, I think hero also, this link is not needed. Okay, so we added a standard values. Okay, for CTA. Let's do it for now. For menu, we have a link. Okay, let's create the standard values. Okay, we have a link and title. Okay, let's title, we will give it as a dollar name. Okay, link we will fill later. Okay, that's it. Now let's come back here. First we will add a menu. There are, let's see what are the different menus we have. First is the home, and this link is hash and YouTube. Okay, okay, so first let's add home. Okay, there's no link here. Then what is the next one? YouTube. See, it has taken YouTube. Okay, now there's a link, is a external link, so let's take this and put here. Can put home here. This one, new browser, insert. Okay, save. Menus are ready, banners are ready. Now we want to add a CTA, so let's have CTA. Okay, let's add CTA. So we have a 3 CTA. The first one we will add is at what it is. Let's see that CTA. We have the first CTA, introduction to CMS, and let's give the name as the introduction. Okay, so let me copy it and giving the name as the introduction. Okay, and now the browse the image. So one.html. So browse the first image, this one, select. Okay, you see your alternate text missing. If you want, you can add the alternate text from the properties. Okay, the title is added it automatically, but we don't want this title. We want this title, Introduction to CMS and Sitecore. So let's replace that, and the description is this video will accept. The link is this. Again, this is the external link, so we will make it as the external link only. Text was click to okay, so text was click to explore, and I have added that. Now let's add the another one in the CTA. The second one is the installation. So let's do the installation. Okay, it will have a image, second image, this one. Okay, then the title, Sitecore 10 installation. Then the description, then we have to add the link. So link is this, and which is the external link. So let's go here and insert an external link, and here click to explore. Here also click to explore. It should be new browser, insert, and then save it. Then the third one is the design templates. Okay, so let's add this one also. Okay, browse. Let's add this one. Okay, the title we have is this. Okay, I'm just updating the content from what the prototype we have. Okay, so assuming that those contents we need to display, so I'm just copying those content in our site code. Okay, then we have a link here. So this is the link. Okay, so all the three CTAs are added, but if you see the introduction, installation, and then design template, okay, the sequence, let's see the sequence. So sequence is different. Okay, so installation should move up, so home, up. Okay, so this is, so all the CTAs are now added. Okay, so what we have done in this video is, first thing is the page which we have created was in the default website. So we have moved that out and created our own website by using the site definition file. So we have updated a few configurations there, and now we can access our website by using the virtual folder name. Okay, then what we have done is we have uploaded all the images in the my media library. So all the asset what which is required, we have uploaded that, and then we have designed our content tree. So there is a one shared folder which we have created, which can be used by multiple website, and then you have a local folder which can be used by the that page itself. Okay, like a home page, it can use it, or you can it can use it, within the website also. Then we have added this corresponding data source folder like banners, CTS, and menus, and inside that we have created the corresponding items. Okay, but before doing that, before creating the corresponding items in those folders, two things which we have done. First thing is we have added the insert option on each folder, so that they can user can easily add the the template which are correspond to that folder only. Like banners, you can add only homepage banner. CTS, you can add only CTS. Like that we have created. Then we have gone to the templates of each data template, and we have created the standard values, and then added the default values in that using the tokens. Okay, so after that we have created the complete data structure. So now you can see we have a data structure. We have all the data which is required for to display on our website. All right, so we will stop here for today. In next part we will actually start working on the building every component dynamically. What I mean by dynamically is the content will come from the site core. Okay, so we will see that from the next video onwards. I'm sure you must be liking these videos, especially this series where we are creating the complete website from the scratch. So please click on a like button and do share this with others who wanted to learn Sitecore. And I'm requesting you to consider subscribing the channel and click on a notification bell to get a latest update. Thank you. Thanks for watching.